And what happened to that dry head girl there? Eh? She had dry like chips. She passed her way and a fling spit by me. Look, she gone in Miss Baca thing there. Miss Baca yard. Well, story turned to bomb. Shoma tell me yesterday, Jacinta used all the last sardine she had inside she the barrel with me auntie Senongio. The last sardine. So right now, she over there, she starved, she hungry. She hungry. Lord of mercy. I go Christ, I will send 2 pounds of sugar, 2 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of salt, 4 sardines, canned beef, and put them in front of the gate. I set them up. But you find not a soul walk a road now. Everybody walk a bayside. Because Mother James bring messages and say there shall be a sudden death upon Canary long stretch. And from that, not a soul walk upon Canary long stretch. Everybody walk a bayside. Down to Miss Barker, I see I fling down. When she come across the road, she walk up, she watch down and run cross fast. Because she don't want death fast, because Mother James say there shall be sudden death upon Canary long stretch. Everybody walk a bayside. Down to the minivan, they hear the message, they want to go to the Byra. They want to go to Georgetown, go to the Byra, and come and park, come and soldiers, and cut out Miss Francis' shop down this Canary gap. Nobody not go Canary long stretch. A long stretch, this is like a ghost town, that's soul by Canary long stretch. You bread van man, you probably buy bread yesterday. Me have to go down Miss Francis' shop. For catch up guy was coming, the soldier was coming wrong. Not a soul a walk a road now and drive because I'm afraid. Because they say when Mother James says something will happen, something will go happen. You hungry, brute, you? Come out. You hungry? You want some sugar? My house full of food, Jacinta. It's full of food. Other locks look poor. Where Jake goes on tala grease? Where Jake goes on tala grease and put it like, hey, go mess up your tala grease or your locks them, they look real wrong. He who laugh last laugh the best. I'm not laugh after people, no. And every man come start put in the garage with me body. Cause me big car coming from Canada.